Welcome to our channel. Activating a payroll card at 7-Eleven offers a convenient way to access your wages quickly. Here's a simple guide to complete the activation process at the store. Step 1. Locate a participating 7-Eleven store near you. Not all locations may offer payroll card activation services, so you might want to call ahead to confirm. Step 2. Bring your unactivated payroll card along with a valid government-issued photo ID such as a driver's license or passport. Step 3. Approach the cashier or customer service counter and inform them that you need to activate a payroll card. They'll guide you through their specific process. Step 4. The cashier may ask you to swipe your payroll card using their payment terminal or provide them with the card number for activation. Step 5. You'll need to verify your identity by showing your photo ID. The cashier will compare the information on your ID with the name on the payroll card. Step 6. Provide any additional information required by the card issuer, which might include your date of birth or social security number for verification purposes. Step 7. The store associate will process the activation through their system. This may take a few minutes to complete. Step 8. Once activation is confirmed, you may be asked to create a PIN for your card. Choose a secure 4-digit number and enter it when prompted. Your payroll card is now active and ready to use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.